50-year-old mother looks 20 years old. Look at his secret. Make no mistake, makeup, operations and dyeing hair is aimed at eliminating imperfections and look young and with more vitality. But will it be possible to look half your age? Liu Yelin, who is almost 50 years old and based in China, is proof that it is possible. This woman, mother of one, looks so young that people think her 22-year-old son is her boyfriend. Without a single wrinkle and with a super-turned body, Liu constantly impresses everyone with his appearance. People are shocked when they discover that I am almost 50 years old, she says. And at 49 he looks as young as he was almost 3 decades ago. Every time I go shopping and tell people my real age, they harass me to learn my secrets. So, what is your secret? The first is the regular exercise for 3 decades. I swim in the lake and I do weights every day, she told Mail Online. My favorite thing is to swim outside in the winter. This super fit mom has more than 75,000 followers on social networks and lives under this slogan: if you think you're broke, it's just that you have not sweated enough. I do not currently have a husband. I think it can be a big factor. This mother looks so young that people think her son is her boyfriend. Without wrinkles and with a turned body, people ask him what is his secret. Exercises every day. And second, a trick that we use in China. Chinese secret for the complexion. My favorite thing is to swim outside in the winter. His motto: if you think you look old, you have not sweated enough. What do you think of his great complexion? Undoubtedly a beautiful woman who has managed to keep fit with dedication and effort every day. Share this article so that others know.